Hello and a very warm welcome to my channel. I'm Johnny Fox and this is Fox's Weight Watcher Kitchen. I'm here to help people like you and me lose weight with very healthy nutritional food. But where did all this begin? Let's go back in time. Last year my lovely wife decided to join the Weight Watcher program, and me, I'm the supportive husband and of course the cook in the kitchen, which I enjoy doing, decided to go along with the same program as well. And as you can see guys, it works. Now for those of you that are not with Weight Watchers, let's just briefly explain something very quickly. They don't count calories, they work things into a point system. Now counting points, that's the easy bit. For us, we didn't bother buying the books, so finding recipes with low points was the hard part. I thought, well, I've got over 40 years experience in cooking. I love to cook. I like my food. My wife, my friends, they love my recipes as well. So I have decided to change my recipes, convert them down into this point system and help us lose the weight. And as you can see, figure wise, I've lost over 2 stone. My wife has lost a little bit more as well. So my mission going forward is to help others lose weight with really enjoyable food. I'll be covering things like your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, and even your snacks. For those of you that are with Weight Watchers, I will be putting the points on the thing at the same time. I'm hoping to publish one video every single week, so within the course of a year that's going to be 50 exciting weight loss recipes for you guys. So if you don't want to miss anything, click on that subscribe button. If you want to be notified, press the bell. You'll be notified every time another video comes out as well. If you like what you're seeing, share it with your friends as well. And until we do this again, have a great day guys, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.